What's going on, guys? It's Amazing and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new internal hard drive in Windows 10. If you like the educational content and gameplay, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Well, let's start the installation. The first thing you need to do is make sure your computer is completely turned off, and then connect the SATA cables from the motherboard to the hard drive and from the power supply to the hard drive. Now put the hard drive in its place. So far we have physically installed the hard drive, but the main step is to identify and install the hard drive, which we go together and do it very simple and quickly. So we turn on the computer, enter Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click on Control Panel and enter it. Here we have to look for an option called Administrative Tools. Now that we have found it, we enter it, and in this page I see an option called Computer Management, and we click on it, and on this page we click on Disk Management. This page is that page we work with, and we can see all of the connected hard drive and connection information on this page. When you enter this page, you will encounter this page called Initialize Disk, which means installing a new hard drive. But if this page is not displayed to you, there's no problem. Just make sure there's a new disk between your previous hard drives. New hard drive with a flash option like red, it has a feature in full and empty space and a word unknown next to it, which means unknown because this hard drive is not installed on our computer yet. In this section we select our new hard drive with one click and right click on it and click on the first option called Initialize Disk. Exactly the same page that was displayed when we entering Disk Management is displayed. And my goal was to figure out how to run this page if this page isn't displayed. In this section we have two options, MBR and GPT, for the hard drive style partition to specify which one to choose for our hard drive style. Older computers generally use MBR style and newer computers today use GPT style. The default system is the same as GPT and I suggest using GPT style. Then click OK. Now our hard drive is out of unknown mode and has gone online, which means our computer has detected it. And now to complete the installation, right click on this part of the hard drive and click on the first option, New Simple Volume. In this page, we have been asked to click on Next for installation. So click on Next. In this page, we have been asked for value to determine the hard disk space, and we set it to the default state of the system with the given value that shows the total value of the hard drive. We click on Next. On this page, on the right side, we were asked to enter a letter between the given letters. I use A here, and I don't care about other option and click on Next. In this page, like the previous page, we have nothing to do with the given item. But in the volume label section, you can choose a name for your hard drive. But let me also add that you can change the name of your hard drive whenever you want, very easy. We have nothing to do with this part and we click on Next. After that, we will encounter this page and the last step of installing the hard drive and click on Finish. Now our new hard drive is successfully formatted. Congratulations, cause you were able to successfully install and run your new hard drive. Now enter this PC and we can see our new hard drive between the other hard drives. Now with a right click on our new drive, we can change its name whenever we want. I call the hard drive Amazing here. Click Continue to confirm when you encounter this error. If this video was useful and you enjoyed, be sure to like it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching.